guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 Amazon crochet hair. This is pretty much the hair that I've used over the years. I've been really bought new hair for quite a while. I pretty much reuse my crochet braids, you know, take them down and then put a new one in, and then I pretty much deep condition them like with lukewarm water and just rinse them out and then, you know, reuse them. So since I do my own hair, I've been, using pretty much the same crochet braids. I've kind of had an experience on which ones are really, really great. And so these are my top 5. So I'm going to try to put a picture when I'm wearing the hair and also a little video clip showing you guys how it looks on me on the sides. And then I'll also link them down below so you guys can check them out if you're interested. Please do remember to subscribe and hit the like button, because if you don't hit the like button, my videos don't go around. So yeah. So let's get started. Sensational Samba Twist. This hair I love so much. It pretty much looks like when you have a blowout and you have really long hair, like if you have natural hair that's blown out and you twist them, it has that look. It's very natural. The volume is amazing. It is pretty long, so if you're tall, you're shorter. I'm 5'10". It hits me at a really good length, but if you are shorter, you may want to cut them somehow and then I don't know, figure something out if you are shorter. But because I'm tall, I'm able to rock a lot of inches, So yeah, it is super long. It comes in amazing colors. It's really affordable for the price. And I just love how natural it looks and the volume. I got a lot of compliments. People thinking that it was my hair. And the older it gets, the better. A lot of this hair, the reason I love them is because they're affordable. They last really long. We can use them over and over again. They're not heavy. They're those types of hairstyles that you can reach for, especially during the summer times, like when you want to go near water. They're amazing for that. I watch Leah Levon here, and she's always reviewing crochet hair. And yeah, so I just wanted to do this for you guys to help you guys out. So the first one is definitely Sensational Samba Twist. The next one is it's a Freetress wavy Senegalese twist. Amazon has this same exact hair for way cheaper. I love this hair because it is Senegalese twist, way smaller than the Samba twist, but it has curly ends and they're super light. They're super lightweight ends. It comes in amazing colors, and it gives you that really nice natural look too, but it's not that, it's not heavy. You can reuse this hair. I've used this hair for almost like 3 or 4 more years, reusing it, and it always looks good. It comes like in a 6-pack on Amazon, and it's really affordable, and it's definitely that hair that I always reach out for, and I get a lot of compliments from it. So yeah, so number 2 is definitely Freetress wavy Senegalese twist, but I'll link down the Amazon version of it, which is pretty much the same. Oh, excuse me. The next one is Goddess Locs with curly ends. That's what you have to search for on Amazon, and once again, I'll put it on the side here so you guys can see it. This is another one of my favorite hairstyles to rock. This hair is like having like it feels like it has that marly kinky texture, but it's twisted and also has curly ends. The curly ends just kind of steps it up. And I swear when I put that hair on, I feel like I want to be in Jamaica somewhere with drinks and a nice bikini with a little tote, raffia bag, and like walking around like with my shades on. Like it has so much volume. It looks so natural. It's so lightweight. And honestly, I think it comes in, I forgot how many packs, but you don't even need a lot because it's so big that you just need a little bit, or it will look super big, which I love. I don't mind big hair, but it has that look. It gives you that volume, and it looks so natural that people can easily think it's maybe yours. And and the older it gets, the better it looks. So I love it. I even got it in like a 1B, like a 430 or 1B, but I'll have the picture so you guys can see it. Okay, so that's number 4. Number 5 is curly faux goddess locks. These are pretty much faux locks, but they're mixed in with a little bit of curls in it. They're super lightweight. They have amazing volume, and it looks like faux locks just with a little bit of a little more glamorous. It has that like, I don't know, it just like once you add like beads to it and stuff like that on it, it just gives you that, yeah, you look like a goddess. Like, yeah, so I love this hair. I bought it in a black. I have a 1B30. I have a 430. I love it. And the length is amazing. I think it's like a 18 to 20 inches or so. And I'll leave it here. But it's like one of those hair that once I put it on, like I just look, it looks amazing. And that's the thing about, you know, with hair, like if you try hair and it's not right, like you don't feel right. So I've noticed that I bought some hair over the years that just did not work for me. Like I put them on and I took them down the next day, or throughout the whole week I was just feeling like I can't wait to take this down with, you know, take down the crochet braids because it didn't look right and it didn't give me that life. So these are the things, these are the hair that have just worked for me. So I had to share with you guys. The last one is this one, and I'm forgetting the name, but I'll leave a clip. It's also another, this is crochet box braids with curly ends. I love it. I have it in 1B, I think. This color and another one. I'm definitely going to reorder one more of a different color because I love how lightweight it is. And it, you know, it's like getting the box braids without sitting down for long. And I just love how lightweight it is. And the curly ends just adds up a little bit of that something to it. Everywhere I went, like people were like, oh my God, I like your hair. And the colors are kind of layered. Like I think it's, let me look here. It's like a 1B at the top, a 4, and then like I want to say, I forgot the other color, but it's like a blonde ends. So it's mixed. So when you buy the black one, you can also do the same thing, like a black, and then it has like a 30. But anyway, I'll leave it here in the picture and everything. Yeah, so yeah, if you're looking for crochet hair, I've been rocking crocheters for a couple years now. They're easy for me to do. They keep me on a nice budget, you know. And I just love how easy they are to put on. The Amazon has them for like 6 packs for like 20 something dollars. They are really lightweight. They're hairstyles that you can easily, you know, go to the beach with, and it's not an issue. Like if you work out a lot, you could easily put like, you know, what is it called? Like a headband, you know, put it up and you are set to go. They're super, super easy. They're affordable. And overall, like, just Amazon really has really good crochet hair. So don't even bother with the beauty supplies. Like, nobody has time for that. Go to Amazon and get you some of these. All right, guys. So please subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.